Hello everyone, welcome to our Linux full course tutorial. So today we are going to learn about the processes and jobs. So basically these both are the key concepts related to the running programs and managing their tasks. So let's just see some of the aspects of these processes and jobs and other stuff. So the first one, which is the applications, where it is also called as the services. So application, like in both system, each and every operating system has its own applications or services which they provide to their users to help them to get the done work. So let me just give you a simple example of Windows. So for example, Windows has this Microsoft Word, in which we edit our we can create a document, we can edit, we can create a PDF from that. Then we have the PowerPoint, in which we can create a presentation. And the other one, Firefox, which is a browser of the one of the in my Windows system. So like same as like the Windows has its own applications and services, the Linux has the same applications and services in the system, just like NBS, NPS. So these are, and Apache browser. So these are some of the application services which Linux has in its own. So yeah, the next thing which we are going to see, which is the script. So what is the script basically? So in the script we have the multiple commands and set of the commands, in other words you can say, which can execute for further execution. Then after that we have the processes. So what is the process basically is an instance of a running program. It represents a running program along with the current states, including the allocated system resources such as a memory, CPU, time, file descriptor, and more. Then after that we have this daemon, daemon, which is basically it is a program or a process that runs in the background and detached from any controlling terminal. Then the second last one, we have the thread. So basically a thread is a basic unit of execution with a process. It basically represents a sequence of instruction that can be executed independently or concurrently or in parallel with the other threads within the same processes. Also, a thread shares the same memory space and resources as the other thread in the process, allowing for efficient communication and coordination. And the last we have about the job. So in the job, we can say a job is a task or a command that is executed by the shell, which is the command interpreter. And in Linux you can run the jobs in the foreground or a background.